So absolutely true to my word, I have got my car vinyl. Oh yeah. This is Bahamut, Dark Hawk's grill, and we're just going through the smoothing operations now. Here is the motherboard tray. Install any back plates and any heat sinks that you want without removing the motherboard tray. Same with the south bridge. This tool is going to save me a lot of time. It's got a cutting edge diameter of 2mm and it'll saw through aluminium, copper and the acrylic, and I'm just going to test it through acrylic now. Here's the X series motherboard tray, and you can see over here we've got the 2.7mm holes, so we can tap those and put the motherboard risers in. I haven't fabricated it yet, but as you can see there's a little bit extra room there for those people who want to use 3-slot graphics cards. Yeah, delivery arrived for me and it's 100 needles. Iron tablets, multivitamins, iPads. I'm not a drug addict, I'm just using these for glue. Wait, no, that doesn't sound any better. So you can tell exactly how much you have in the reservoir. And you'll be seeing the other side of this. So to give you a better idea of what's happening, you have a hole to go to the pump at the bottom, and then you have a fill port at the top, and then all the sides, and you'll be able to see this bad boy. The water comes in through there. So what you're basically seeing is the other side, and oh my god, this thing fits so well, I don't even need glue right now. I know this video is long, but we're cutting Raven Guardian for the same guy I did Raven for. And here it comes. Just needs a second run through to smooth things out. So here's Raven and the Guardian, and somehow I've got to get this double-sided tape off. Oh man, that took ages. Now I'm gonna get to the post office. About friggin' time. For those of you who are wondering how big this case is gonna be, huge. I have created a monster.
You guys ready?
Nope.
Huh?
No.
Where's Derek?
He's not coming anymore.
Oh, true.
Third wheel. Do you want to give Jess a massage? iPads,